everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel here at The Dad Life. As always, guys, I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. In today's video, we have a sneaker unboxing straight from the GOAT app. Like I said, guys, if you guys like sneaker unboxings, make sure you guys give me a like on this video. It makes me know that you guys like unboxing, so it really means a lot to me if you guys smash that like button. If you guys never heard of the GOAT app, pretty much the GOAT app is a sneakers app where you could buy and sell used and new sneakers. No, guys, this is not a sponsor video. Some of you guys have been asking me, is the GOAT app legit? I've personally never been through one bad experience with the GOAT app. If you guys have been in any bad situation, whether if it's good or bad, let me know in the comments below, whether if it's from GOAT or StockX or other sneakers app. I'm really curious about your guys' stories because all I've been hearing is really good reviews about StockX and the GOAT. So let me know in the comment section below with all your guys' experiences. My only advice to you guys when you are purchasing anything from StockX or GOAT app, the one advice I would give to you guys is to make sure you guys are educated. Make sure you guys know your reals and your fakes, because if you guys don't know your reals and your fakes and you're just relying on the app itself because they go through a whole, authentication process, me personally, I make sure I know my reals and my fakes because it's gonna help you guys in the long run. I promise you guys it's going to help. So make sure you guys stay educated with your reals and your fakes. There is so many fakes out there with every single shoe, whether if it's Nike, Jordan, or Adidas. But let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. This sneaker released back in December. It came out with 3 different colorways of this sneaker. So once you guys see the box, you guys pretty much know what it is. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys pretty much know what it is as well. Comes with these tissue paper. But as you guys can see, you guys already know the silver box. You guys already know what it is. It's the Nike Dunk Low LTHR-OW Off-White. Oh man, I'm so excited to have this. They came out with 3 different colorways, which is the Pine Green, the Michigan colorway, and as well as the University Red. Comes with the GOAT app sticker and the GOAT authentication card where it goes to each section of their building or something like that to make sure they're 100% legit, if you guys really care about that. But as you guys can see, the yellow paper on top, oh my goodness, I am so excited to see this sneaker, guys. Oh my god. So this colorway is the red, University Red colorway. Oh my gosh, man. These are flames, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that shoe, guys. Let me go and bring both of them out. Nothing special, just white tissue paper underneath the yellow paper. Give you guys close-up clips during this video. Oh my goodness. Like, this sneaker is crazy. So like I said, guys, they came out with 3 different colorways. The University Red, the Michigan, which I actually really like, and the Pine Greens. I'm not a big fan of the Pine Greens, but the Pine Greens seems like the most hyped colorway. I'm not sure why, but honestly, the red colorway has to be my favorite. You can't go wrong with red shoes, guys. I kind of like the extra lacings on top. I know it kind of looks funky, but it honestly gives it a different look to the sneaker. I've never seen something like this before. Not much to say about the shoe. All over the shoe is pretty much gray and red. When these first came out, these were going for like $500 to $600, and I think when I saw it go down to like $520, I end up just scooping it up real quick, and then it just shot back up. I believe right now, I'm not sure how much they're going for. Let's go ahead and look real quick. So they are going for my size right now, $685. That's not after their whole fees and shipping. I think these will definitely go up in value this year of 2020. I think I see these going up to $1,000 max, just because I don't think they're gonna re-release this shoe in general. That was just that one time where they released it back in December. This is the only colorway I wanted. I didn't really want the other colorways. This was my favorite out of the 3. So let me know in the comments which sneaker is your favorite out of the 3 colorways. Is it the Pine Green, the University Red, or the Michigan Blue, Yellow, whatever you guys want to call that colorway? Let me know all that in the comment section below. As always, guys, I hope everyone is having a blessed day. More content on the way, guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So make sure you guys hit the bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. And please consider subscribing to my channel if you guys are new here. We are almost there at 3,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. So I'm gonna get out of here, guys. This is the Dad Life signing in, signing out. Peace.